Good morning, sir. I am Jaysryl and Mino from BSIT Par 1. And for today, I will discuss and create locations in Business Central. What is locations? Locations are places such as warehouses where you can buy, store, or sell items. Business Central uses location to track inventory in both simple and complex warehouse processes. And now, I'll show you how to create locations in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. So here's the Dynamics 365 Business Central homepage. Then we will go to the navigation bar and search locations. Click this to view all the warehouse locations. Now we will create new warehouse location. Click new and click here we will put code or the primary key in the location card. For example, Northeast. And the name of the warehouse, the address, and if there is another address or optional address, city, Manila, and the country, Philippines. The postcode and the country or region code is auto-generated when you input country here. Contact, you will put contact number, for example, 09, as well as phone number if the warehouse have phone number and email. Owner is and the home page. If it is done, click the back button and let's see if we create the new warehouse location. As you can see, Northeast Warehouse has been created. Let's discuss about the warehouse fields. Let's click the newly created warehouse location. Then let's go to the warehouse. As you can see, there are many fields such as require receipt, require shipment, require put away, and etc. If you turn on the require receipt, you will require to receive the goods and create a receipt document. And if you turn this on, the require shipment, you will require to create shipment document. If you turn this on, the require put away, you are required to create put away document and use put away worksheet if it is mandatory to use a put away worksheet. Next is the required pick. If you require the outbound side to create pick documents, and the bin mandatory means that you must enter bin codes. Uh, Here is the default bin selection where you want a fixed bin to be a default bin. And you can see the outbound and inbound handling time, the base calendar code, customized calendar, use docking, and the cross-dock due date calendar, as well as the directed put away and pick. That's all for the warehouse. Now let's discuss about the bins and bin policies. Again, let's click the newly created warehouse location, the Northeast warehouse. Then let's go to the bins and bin policies. Under the bins, there are the receipt, shipment, production, and adjustment field. In the receipt bin code and shipment bin code, you will input the receipt bin and the shipment bin code. Under the production, there's the open shop floor bin code or the general shop floor bin where you can put the item. Next is the to production bin code, meaning if you pick items from warehouse for production. Last is the from production bin code where the warehouse people can pick the finished goods. Same as the assembly where to assembly bin code and from as well as to assembly to order shipment bin code. Adjustment bin code, you will use this if you do inventory adjustment, and in the cross dock bin code, you will use this if you are using cross docking. Lastly is the job bin code, where an item will be put away or picked in warehouse and inventory process at this location. Under the bin policies, there is the special equipment bin capacity policy allow break bulk, the put away and pick. That's all for the bins and bin policies. And that concludes my discussion on how to create locations in Business Central. What is location?